People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. If you do what you always did, you will get what you always got. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Whenever you see a successful person, you only see the public glories, never the private sacrifices to reach them. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. What's the point of being alive if you don't at least try to do something remarkable? There are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. Those who are afraid to try, and those that are afraid you will succeed. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. People who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. Similarly, when someone is failing, the tendency is to get on a downward spiral that can even become a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something. Your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down and has made all the difference in my life. A man can be as great as he wants to be if you believe in yourself and have the courage, the determination, the dedication, the competitive drive, and if you're willing to sacrifice the little things in life and pay the price for the things that are worthwhile, it can be done.